Welcome to Michael Pepper Tech. In today's video, I have an unboxing of the Logitech Combo Touch Keyboard case for the iPad Pro 13-inch. This is for the 2024 model with the M4 chip. And if you didn't see that video, please check that out as well. That video will be linked at the end up here and in the description down below. But without further ado, let's get into it. So Logitech makes this keyboard case, and it was $257, so about $100 less than the Apple keyboard. And in order to get into it, I gotta kind of peel this material back here. And peel this sticker off. How it opens here is you just kind of slide that out. Slides out nicely there. And I'm going to tuck that front part off to the side. And it comes in this wrap like most things come in. And it is the keyboard part. But what I really like about the Combo Touch is it's a keyboard and the case. So that's what comes in the box, as well as the information about the Logitech Crayon there if you wanted to pick that up as an alternative. And then it's got this nice, it's like a fabric, soft, eco-friendly material, I guess you'd say, around it. But here is the case part, and let me grab the iPad itself. And we'll see here how it just slots in there. So the iPad itself, you'll see, just slots in there nicely. Make sure it all kind of tucks in the case. So it's very protective of the iPad. Slots around it. And as you'll see, it's got pins to connect, which, as far as I know, Logitech is the only other company that makes a keyboard like this, keyboard case like this, where it uses the pogo pins. But the other thing I really like is it has the kickstand, kind of like the Surface style kickstand. So you can use it as just the iPad if you wanted to, or magnetically connects. And I haven't set up the iPad yet, but you can see, let me kind of flatten it down here so you can see. I'm using the trackpad, and there we go. So I can get into this. We'll do, and you'll see I can use I'm gonna just skip past some of this stuff, and I can type with the keyboard here if I wanted to, and put in my password. And we'll join. And just like that, I use the keyboard to type it in. And let me actually show you the keyboard. So it's got this nice, beautiful trackpad. It's got this keyboard. And the keyboard itself has keys to show. You can make the keyboard dimmer or off and brighten it up there. And of course, brighten up, dim the iPad itself with those keys. You got play, pause, rewind, fast forward, mute, volume down, volume up, of course, as well as turning on the do not disturb mode, and screen capture, as well as You know, you got all your function row buttons, ability to lock and unlock there, the button down in the bottom corner for switching either between different keyboards or bringing up your emojis. It's got this big, beautiful trackpad, and of course, close it up there. Not too thick, not too heavy. We'll see it protects the whole iPad. Microphone cutout, speaker cutout there, power button, camera's protected. Port on the other side, other speakers. Everything is protected. It's open there for the Apple Pencil to fit. It feels like a different material than the previous models I've had. Nice and sturdy. Has a solid build to it. Feels, I don't know if that's metal, but it feels like it's got more sturdiness to it than the previous models I had more flexibility to it. So this one feels really nice with a nice physical trackpad. So if you want the haptic trackpad, you'll have to get the Magic Keyboard, but I like how this one, again, you can just magnetically disconnect it to use the iPad in the case. The iPad's protected, you know, you get a screen protector, the whole thing's protected. You want to use the keyboard, snap it on, close it up, protect your iPad, protect your investment. Again, this is the Logi Combo Touch Keyboard case by Logitech for the 13-inch iPad Pro, and it actually matches the iPad very nicely with that space black iPad. My name is Michael Pepper of Michael Pepper Tech. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Peace, love, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.